Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shirley. If you haven't subscribed, please do so below. Today we have another hair tutorial video, but this one's nice, quick, and easy. It's simply how I wrap my hair at the end of the night. So if you're interested, please keep watching. So you want to start off using one of these plastic scrunchies. You just want to take all of your hair towards the front of your face and make a pineapple. So you're just gonna tie your hair to hold it in place while you put on the scarf. Keep in mind that every silk scarf has the silky, shiny side, as you see here, and then the more matte, satin side. And this is good because it helps you keep that grip when you do the knot. Sometimes when you wear silk scarves, they slip off. So having this little satin side helps you keep it in place. So as you can see here, I'm just placing it over my head, the back of my head, and you can see the matte side on the back. I kind of left a piece there so that when I do tie my hair in the back, it can grip itself. Right now, I'm just tying my silk wrap in the front of my head, making sure all of my hair is in there. I'm pulling it tight. I know it's uncomfortable to sleep with these tight, but I just keep mine tight because if you don't, it will slip off. As you can see here, it's on the satin side and I am sure it'll stay in place. Now I'm going in and I'm removing the scrunchie I used. And now I am just making sure that I pull the top of the scarf all the way towards the front, as you see here, and then I just tuck my hair in as much as I can. I make sure everything's in there, and I kind of just give it a little twist to the side, and I tuck the excess fabric in the back where I previously knotted the scarf. And that's it, ladies. This is how I wrap my hair and go to sleep. Hope you ladies enjoyed. Bye.